Wagwan KK squad, it's a girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. So as you can see by the title, I'm gonna show you guys how I stretch my natural hair without heat. So I just washed my hair like an hour ago, and usually I don't leave my hair to dry out like this, you know, like right away. I start to moisturize, seal with oil and everything before it gets dry, because now it's gonna be hard to comb out. This is giving me Maduman right now, but let's not go there. It's still wet, but it just like, this is the shrinkage that we're dealing with. As you guys can see in a couple videos, I have my hair stretched before I start my styles. So I'm gonna show you guys how I get that stretch that you guys see in previous videos. Anyways, like I said, I just washed my hair. I have a lot of wash day routines on my channel. I'm gonna leave the links down below, you know, my favorite ones, my favorite wash days, so you guys can see how I wash my hair and do all of that. So let's get right into the video. So the products I'll be using, sorry about the container, I'm running low, so you know, trying to squeeze it out. Forget some, it look like this. Anyways, I'll be using the Aussie Miracle Curls Frizz Taming Cream. This is amazing. This works very well for my hair. I love it so much. And this is the Sunny Isle Jamaican Black Castor Oil. I know castor oil is very thick and most people use it on their scalp, but I'm just going to use a little drop just to seal in the moisture, just a little bit. Hey KK squad, so here as you can see, I am trying to section my hair. The parting doesn't have to be perfect because it's not like you're styling your hair, you're just stretching your hair. But because my hair got a little dried out, it's kind of hard to part. But like I said, the parting doesn't have to be perfect. So first, what I do is I make sure that my hair is moisturized. I moisturize my hair starting from the ends, and then I work my way up to the roots. Now I'm just gonna be using a tiny bit of the Jamaican black castor oil to seal in the moisture. Listen, I always say in my videos, you cannot use oil to moisturize your hair. Oil only does not work. You use the oil to put over the moisturizer to seal in that moisture. But the Jamaican black castor oil is so thick, you just need a drop. Or you could use coconut oil, it doesn't matter. Then I'm just gonna use a wide teeth comb and just comb that through, making sure the product is distributed everywhere gets moisturized. And then I begin plaiting my hair for stretching. So I'm gonna be doing the same thing for each section. I'm just gonna moisturize the hair and then seal it with oil, comb through and then I plait the hair for stretching. But guys, please don't skip through the video because I want you to watch the full video to also see how I fix my hair or style my hair with these big plaits so I can wear them outside if it's to go to the grocery store or to go work or, you know, anywhere, any quick errands. I'm gonna show you how to fix them together so they don't look crazy. So I want you guys to keep watching so you can also see that, listen, I got you, because I know for 24 hours something might come up. You have to go outside to do something and you want your hair to look somewhat decent. So just keep watching, because I got you. I got you. So KK squad, like I said, I just got my hair washed. I forgot to tell you guys what I use. I use the Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner by Aussie. So this is like a one line hair routine, so I'm just using the same products from the same brand. Well, the moisturizer is Miracle Curls and the shampoo and conditioner is Miracle Moist, but it's from Aussie. Okay, KK squad, I also want you guys to pay attention to the direction that I do these plaits. It matters only if you're going to be trying to style these plaits to go outside to do quick errands. It matters. If not, you could do the plaits any direction you want. But to do this little quick, you know, style that I'm gonna be showing you later down in the video, you have to pay attention to the direction that I do these plaits. Okay, KK squad, so I did 11 plaits, and the reason why I have 11 plaits, as you guys can see, I have a lot of hair. I have thick hair. If your hair is not as thick, you don't have to do 11 plaits. 6 is good, 8 is good. So as you can see, the parting doesn't have to be perfect, none of that, just like this. So I'm gonna wear my hair like this to work tomorrow. Yeah, that's what I do. But let me show you exactly what I do, how I wear it to work. But you see all this frizz, I'm gonna put a scarf on and tie it overnight, so all this frizz won't be there tomorrow when I'm going to work. So I just like put it in a ponytail like this, a low ponytail. Put it in a bun like this, and there you have it, a low ponytail for work. Sometimes I do my edges, you know, just to make it look more cute. It depends on the mood. And if you want, you can also wear like a hair scarf. All of this is just in case you have to go outside, like work or grocery shopping or something, just for the 24 hours. I think this is cute. You have like a little headband, something, just to make and do your edges, and that's it. You just keep it like this for a day or two. It's cute when you do it with the middle part, you know. Wear it like this for a day or two, which I'm just gonna be wearing it for 24 hours like this, and let my hair dry like this while I'm at work. I work with kids, so I'll be moving around, so I know my hair is gonna be stretched and dry and everything. And even when you put it in a low bun, that helps stretch the hair as well, because you're stretching it right now in a ponytail. Oh, these little headbands I get from my local beauty supply store. I got this one and a pink one. So yeah, I'll be back in 24 hours. So I'm back 24 hours later. Same shirt, because I only had this shirt on for the couple minutes I did the first half of this video, so I was like, why not just put on the same shirt for the rest of the video? Don't come for me. Yes. Anyways, let's get back into the video. As you can see, the plaits are a hot mess, so I'm just gonna go ahead and unravel these plaits and see what we're working with. Alrighty, so I unraveled the plaits. As you can see, my hair feels super soft and moisturized. So now I'm just gonna comb through. I'm just gonna comb it through and see what we're working with. So soft. yeah, so this is what we're working with. And just a little tip, the longer you keep the plaits in, the more your hair will stretch. It might not look stretched, but it is. It's just that I have a lot of hair, it's big, so it looks like this. This is stretch enough for me. It's moisturized and my hair is now ready to be styled. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to subscribe. Comment down below your thoughts. Let me know what you think. Let me know if this technique worked for you. Just talk to me in the comment section. And stay tuned for my next upload. Bye.